Hey everyone, I just got my April 2016 Fiberista Club in the mail. And let's see what we've got here. Some yarn. And that is it. Alright, we got a packet of seeds. It's a wildflower mix. Got some stitch markers, which for loom knitters, it looks like the heads of these, for your fine gauge looms, this should be fine to fit over those. We got our newsletter. It talks about the yarn, which it is 50% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 15% kid mohair, 15% silk. And it does have a note down here that the seeds, if you're in the US or Canada, you got the seeds. If you're an international member, due to shipping regulations, you got to soak in yours instead. And of course, in those of you who've seen the pattern, it's really, really pretty this month. It was a shawl. Now this is a variation, so you might have got yarn like this, or you might have got yarn like this. And it's Sweet Georgia. And let me see, you got 437 yards. So that's definitely plenty enough. This one's called Smitten. That's plenty enough to do a pair of socks. And this one's called Mink. So there we go. Any questions or comments, leave in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.